Len Prazych, Board Converting News, here at Corrugated Week 2022 and the Signode booth. I'm here with
Jonathan Lust, Corrugated Industry Manager for Equipment for Signode. And I'm here to talk a little bit about Signode and show you some of the things that we're doing here and the new things we're doing with for Expo.
You have so many things. Where do we begin? And put it in perspective for someone who's trying to handle that.
Obviously Signode's been in business a very long time, and we've developed many different machinery types for the corrugated industry. We're one of the only companies that kind of is a full range of packaging machinery for corrugated, where we not only focus on bundlers and unitizers, but we also get into wrappers and hooders, and now we're acquiring companies for automation and really just give a one-stop shop for all the different types of packaging machinery that's needed in a corrugated plant, whether it's a box plant or a sheet manufacturing plant. We can kind of handle all that with one stop with Signode. So some of the machines that we have are listed up here on the board, and whether it's the unitizers for box and sheet plants, whether it's different types of bundlers for flexo-folded gluer machines or specialty folded glue machines, wrappers and hooders, putting either different types of film over the loads. You know, we can really handle all the needs that a corrugated plant might have.
So multiple machines can be in the same line.
Can be.
You could have multiple.
Well, and that's a good point, because part of the thing that our customers are struggling with today is labor. It's hard to get good quality maintenance people. It's hard to get operators. It's just very difficult to find good labor, good skilled labor. So a lot of the machinery that we're coming out with now has a lot of redundant features. For instance, the GCU3 is the next generation machine that we have coming out. And what's really good about that is you can retrofit this up with the 6 heads. You can order it with 6 heads. Now, not necessarily you need 6 heads, but if a head goes down for preventative maintenance needs, or there's a jam in that head, it's very easy for an operator to turn that head off, and then just the machine will automatically cycle through the other heads, which keeps your throughput going. And then when the time, either lunchtime or when that maintenance fellow is available to go repair that machine, they can then take that at their leisure and not have the machine down waiting with production to get through the plant.
Excellent.
Yeah.
You did mention the Internet of Things. Can you tell us the integration and connectivity?
Sure. So Internet of Things is an interesting idea. It's really the forefront to Industry 4.0, right? So we're slowly getting into this right now, where we've got it already tied to all of our bundlers, where anybody from a remote location can log on, whether it's your office in the plant or you're the corporate headquarters that wants to see how that machine's running. It tracks efficiencies and throughput, downtime errors, really maintenance needs, that type of thing. As this evolves, it'll be even geared more towards predictive maintenance, where we're getting sensors and monitors on the machines to tell you, hey, this machine's running still, but that motor's starting to heat up, and you better get a motor on order,
sure.
So you can replace that. We're now just starting to get into the Signode unitizers with this too. It's kind of really it's the next phase. Again, as it's harder and harder to have employees, and get good labor, how do we bring automation and artificial intelligence, really is what it is, to monitor machines. It's not like we have people sitting there behind a computer screen watching your machine. We've got really sophisticated computer programs that are able to sense things that are happening, so that we tell you before there's a downtime event that your machine is going to have a problem. You got to go pay attention to this.
So do many customers, I'm sorry to interrupt you, do many customers come to you with that issue and you educate them with the
4 years ago I started with I4O and asked people in the United States what did they know about Industry 4.0, and out of 100 people that I interviewed, 4 or 5 understood what I4O was. It's coming quick. And now everybody everybody knows about Industry 4.0, and now we're taking it, we've already started, data mining our machines so that we have this data. So now that we have this software availability, we're hitting the ground running very, very quickly. So we're looking for more test sites for the unitizers. We've got bundlers online. I've got a program running now, watching a machine that's in Brazil right now, and you can see how much uptime they have, all this stuff. It's really a really nice tool because, as I said, it's harder and harder to get maintenance people and retain those people. So we're starting to do this. This is what our customers are asking us for, right? They want a way to keep their lines running, productivity, and this is one more avenue for that, for sure.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add before we get you selling unitizers?
No, I think that's it. I mean, all in all, Signode's going to continue to evolve within this industry. We're the leader in the industry. We're getting into automation now. We recently purchased a Signode branded company now called Simplematic, with a lot of robots, pallet formers we're going to be getting into, and more conveyor lines and automated conveyor carts that will bring loads around plants. It's really exciting time, and we're getting into now the next phase of and really going beyond strapping machines and more into the automation of the whole plant. So that's to come.
Excellent. Thank you for that.
Right on.
Thank you for
Len?
your ongoing support. Happy to continue to spread the gospel of Signode.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Great work.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
All right.
Appreciate you,
Thank
man.
you.